make a not to-do list.
Let's talk a little bit about New Year's resolutions today, because that's a common thing that we easily fall into. How can we avoid getting into the trap of setting New Year's resolutions or goals, but we are not reaching it? Or by the end of January or by the end of February, we are completely off the path that we were supposed to be on, or that we have planned to be on.
So New Year's resolution is a trap, nothing but a trap. Because 80% of the people, 90% by end of middle of January, they anyway didn't do what they intend to do. That's not going to happen. I said yesterday to someone, please, if you think about last year and you want to not repeat the things that you did last year that was not good, make a not to-do list. Don't make a to-do list, make a not to-do list. Things that you don't want to repeat that you did last year. And I think, in terms of New Year's resolution, it's better to ask a question. What I want to achieve this year, and go down. Why do you want to achieve that? How am I going to